In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new layer in Adobe Express. We'll be working directly inside an Adobe Express project, and the good news is that adding a new layer is very simple once you understand how elements are placed on the canvas. In Adobe Express, every new item you add, like text, photos, graphics, or shapes, automatically becomes its own layer. So rather than creating a blank layer first, you create the layer by adding content. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas where you want the new element to appear, since that's where your new layer will be created. Next, add a new item to your design. On the left panel, click the plus icon or use the available media or text options to place something new onto the canvas. This could be a graphic, a photo, or a text box. In this example, we'll add a shape, since it's a quick and easy way to demonstrate how layers work. Hover over Add Content on the left side, then select Elements. Once the Elements panel opens, go to the Shapes section and choose any shape you want. As soon as you click it, the shape will be added to your canvas automatically. At this point, Adobe Express has already created a new layer for that shape. To confirm this, open the Layers panel by clicking the Layers icon in the top right area of the screen. This panel shows the full stack of elements in your project, and you should now see the item you just added listed as its own separate layer. This is useful because it gives you more control over how objects are arranged in your design. If you want to change where that layer appears in relation to the other elements, you can reorder it. In the panel on the right, simply drag the layer up or down in the list. Moving it higher or lower changes whether it appears in front of or behind other items on the canvas. You can also right-click directly on an object and choose Bring Forward or Send Backward if you prefer a quicker way to adjust its position. A helpful tip here is to keep an eye on your layer order whenever items seem to disappear or overlap unexpectedly. Often, the object is still there, it's just sitting behind another layer. And that's it. That's how to add a new layer in Adobe Express by adding a new element, viewing it in the Layers panel, and reordering it as needed.